All right, we're at Augustana College, the science building. Got another Montgomery. Wow. Oh, that's the lantern. I didn't even notice that. It like blended in with the wall. Oh yeah. Probably either MontgomeryKone or Montgomery. The building next to this had one of these, had an elevator like this. It didn't say actually whether it was MontgomeryKone or Montgomery. I can always check the records. Oh, this is a MontyKone. I think this one's a little newer too. I don't think I've seen that those style of brails before. Huh, maybe I haven't, maybe I have. Anyway, here's the certificate, also known as Hanson Hall, apparently. All right, let's go up to 4. It's got a nice motor to it. There's the lantern. I'm gonna go to 2. I want to see the double one just for shits and giggles. Phone. The sound of, I absolutely love the sound of those old Vector era floor passing chimes. They're so great. It's kind of a neat building too. This campus has some interesting buildings from the 90s, a lot of them. Anyway, that's it.